Boys and girls, I have a really cool announcement to make that you guys are gonna absolutely love. Hey, Sunshine, say hi.
Hi!
Alright, boys and girls. Daddy Foodie here.
Mommy Moody.
Wait, let me put my seatbelt on, wait. الكل اخد holidays, or even the foodie family needs, well, the foodie couple needs a holiday. So, one of my best friends, my childhood friends, has rented a yacht in the south of France. وقالنا ليه ما بتجوا وبتقضوا الجمعة معي. We'll cruise in the south of France, Saint-Tropez, Cannes, Nice, Monaco. Where else?
Puerto Vecchio. Porto Vecchio.
So it's gonna be 1 week of sailing and eating and sailing. I might get some exercise for the first time in 41 years. Look out for it. It's gonna be epic. رح يكون أول مرة إنه I'm filming such an experience. So I hope you guys enjoy it. ويلا, wishing everyone a very happy holiday. Lots of love. Daddy Foodie.
Mommy Moody. Bye.
Alright, step 1 has been taken care of. Checked in, security. ويلا. Perfect. Cheers يا برو.
Cheers.
كيسك حبيبي. Thank you. Alright, after a little incident at security, we're finally here. Hey! Let's do this. Let's eat. Let's drink. Let's sleep. Alright, boys and girls. بوعدكم رح اخبركم كل شيء واقول لكم كل شيء. But before, I need to take it out. When we, Mama, good night. Right, boys and girls, it is 5 a.m. We have just made it to Paris. Oh la la, oui chérie. Alright, so the Air France lounge is so freaking depressing. There's no way we're gonna hang out and have our first French breakfast here.
That's correct.
Mommy Moody, do you agree? Mommy Moody approves?
Stamp of approval.
Mommy Moody wants to go to a brasserie.
Indeed.
Then Mommy Moody should get what she wants. Boys and girls, Mommy Moody was right. كرواسونات هونيك شكلها كتير 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 حزين. تعالوا شوفوا هولي. You can see the individual layers of pastry. هيدي اسمها بات فويتي. فويتي يعني وراء مثل ميلفوي 1000 وراء. It's exactly the same thing. Listen to this. The sign of a good croissant, boys and girls. The outside needs to be super flaky and crispy. And the inside needs to be full of little holes and crevices and chewy. So crispy, holes, chewy. Signs of a good croissant. Right, boys and girls. On to our next trip. We are heading to Corsica. Arriba, arriba, arriba.
No, that's the wrong arriva.
What do they say in Corsica?
Buongiorno.
Close enough. Oh yeah, baby. Where are you? What's up?
My bag's retarded.
No way, it's farting? Welcome to the island, welcome to the islands. مطار مثل مدرستي القديمة. Outdoor. That's it, that's the airport. Look, قاعدين عم يتغدوا. أكسي أوزافيون. تعال شوف. احنا برا. اوكي. احنا برا. وهون بيروحوا على الطيارة هيك. اشكروا ربكم انه عندكم مطار بيروت.
Alright, boys and girls.
Met the driver, got the luggage. It's off to go see the boat. The island life. Can you smell it, Mimi?
Oh yeah.
Coconuts, suntan lotion.
Coconut.